This is the SCR AIDED non-latching fire alarm. Here, as you can see that our input device is the thermostat and the current flow from 5 to 13.5 volts. So in the thermostat, you need to meet the required temperature to switch the thermostat to normally close function or contact circuit in thermostat, allowing the high voltage go through the R1, and it's the voltage divider to R2 going through the gate of the SCR, allowing the zero voltage to go through and connect to negative line of buzzer, and the buzzer will have an a output sound just like this, and it will turn back off or normally open when it gets cold or back to normal temperature, like that. And now this is the SCR AIDED self-latching fire alarm, a challenge. It's the same as the SCR AIDED non-latching fire alarm, but in this case we add up a reset button and a 470 ohms resistor. The push button will reset the whole circuit. Thank you for watching.